Hello children, today we are going to practice learning our sounds.
Remember, my turn and then your turn, okay? S, z, sh, unk, b, k, d, g, j, p, qu, w, x, y, ch, a, e, I, O, A, E, I, O, U, R, or, ow, boy. Our new sound for today is Let's do my turn and then your turn. Well done. Good job. Fantastic. Let's look at our picture. So it is of a robot. So robot. Good job. Robot. Well done. Robot. Fantastic. Let's look at words with the sound. Are you ready? My turn and then your turn. Rabbit. Good job. Robot. Well done. Rainbow. Well done. Rocket. Well done. We are now going to write the sound So down his back and then curl over his arm. We have a picture of a robot. So today we're going to write the word robot. But before we write it, we need to sound the word out. Let's do this together. Are you ready? O, B, O, T. Robot. How many sounds are there? Can you count? Fantastic. There are 5 sounds. The first sound is Can you look for on the sound chart? Good job. It's right here. So down his back and then curl over his arm. The next sound is O. Can you look for O? Fantastic. It is right here. So all around the orange. Down, up, down, up. O, B, O, T. Our next sound is B. Can you look for B? Good job. It is right here. Down the laces to the heel and around the toe. O, B, O, T. Our next sound is O. Can you look for O? Good job. All around the orange. O, B, O, T. Our last sound is T. Can you look for T? Good job. So down the tower, across the tower. Now children, I would like you to have a go at practicing the sound and writing words with the sound. I would love to see your work on Evidence Me. Thank you. Bye.